Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos. I'm in Sibenik and I'm going to go to Krka National Park. Krka? I call it Cracker. I'm sure that's not a racist term, but it's just Krka. Krka National Park. And it has waterfalls and such like that. But I'll take you in and show you around and you can come. It's a nice, gorgeous day, so it should be better than the snow and the rain from Placenta. Or Plavizas. Whatever it's called, that one. Okay, see you guys later. Bye. This is, see what it's called? Krka, and it's got waterfalls in it and stuff. And so this is the literature on it and such. And here's some information for you. And you can pause when you need to. But it looks pretty amazing, and I guess it's kind of like that lake, that other one I was mentioning, that Plavidus. Man, I'm just so bad with names, everybody. I'm so sorry. But anyway, it cost 100 kuna to get in here as well. So it's like a $15 entrance fee. But anyway, that's it, everybody. I'll take you inside. Bye-bye. Okay, everybody, you buy a ticket, and then you have to ride a bus, I guess, to the main part of the park. So there's buses out front. So I don't know how far away it is from the entrance, but I guess we're gonna find out. All right, cool. Bye-bye. All right, the views are spectacular. Very nice.
All around main waterfall, of course, with different viewpoints, with ethno village that you can visit, restaurants, and so on. Also, there are two boat excursions that you can take from here at 12 first departures. Shorter one to Wisovac, that island where Franciscans. 2 hours it takes in total, but it's extra charge, 100 kuna per adults and 70 per children. Boat tickets, if you're interested, you can buy only here at this reception. Longer tour goes to the next waterfall, includes Wisovac Island as well, and it's 130 kuna per adult and 90 per children, and takes in total 3.5 hours. Bus, when you decide exit from here, there is a bus every 15 minutes, but just from the next station, which is a little bit lower, like 100 meters down the road. Do you have some other questions?
What's the best walk to take?
Walk to take, like I said, a little bit down and then to the right. You have a trail of 2 kilometers, but it's only this area. There are lots of other walking trails further up, but you need
the boat.
Car. Actually, your car, you can go and enter somewhere else and then take another trails.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. So the lady said that you take this trail, and so that's where I'm at, which I think they park right here, and that's the reception area, I think. And then I got to here, and so I'm going to walk all of this, I think. Or maybe it's this way? No, I don't know. But one of the ways, I'm going this way. So these are the things I'm going to see, and this is what we're kind of looking like. And it looks pretty amazing. But let me tell you this just before we get too much further. So the whole thing feels very commercial. They sell ice cream and sodas, they have snack bars, and so whereas the other one, Plavidus, that one, wasn't nearly as commercial. This one seems to have little restaurants and little snack bars and tourist traps the whole way. And so, I mean, right on the side of the road to have ice cream and candy and cookies and soda is kind of, kind of interesting. So, but anyway, just my initial take. But the water is absolutely gorgeous and pretty, and it's not snowing, and oh my gosh, there's huge rainbow trout. Wow. Where's my fishing pole? Oh my God. Actually, they almost look like carp, but it's certainly gorgeous. Wonderful. All right, everybody, I'll move on and I'll take some more pictures. All right. Oops, sorry, go ahead. No, you're fine. I'm just... No swimming, but there's no rails. Is there accidental swimming? It's certainly beautiful. Amazing. All the fish, it's just incredible. I think that they're absorbing the sunlight. Wonderful. Amazing. There's lots of great places that are just wonderful. Fish certainly love the sunlight, huh? Wow, neat. Okay. A lot of water coming over that. So I took a side cut. They had this little trail off the beaten path. So up there's the beaten path, and they had this little thing, and it's unmarked, no signs, no anything. And quite a bit of gorgeous stuff here. There's a sign over here. Let me go see what this one says. Look how clear that water is. Wow. Oh. It says, okay. Anyway, so take the little side trails if you come to Krka. Okay, bye-bye. So again, this is that side path. It's really not marked at all. And this is the view you get. Wow, spectacular. Simply amazing. Cool. All right, so the view from here is spectacular too. Little lizard. Amazing, huh? Pretty spectacular place. If you are wheelchaired or have problems with stairs or climbing up or down, it's obviously pretty steep and pretty hard if you have any kind of disability issues. And there's probably at least 100 stairs, 150 stairs. There's a lot of stairs. So, and the crowds, you can see the crowds are pretty good size too. And this is just one set. So you pass a set and then you end up getting behind another set, and I guess that's just the way it goes. So anyway, just sharing the terrain. Hi everybody. Well everybody, this is, I don't do selfies videos very much, but I figure I might as well try it. But the waterfall behind me is gorgeous, and so I figured I'd take some pictures for you. Pretty amazing stuff, huh? Incredible. Welcome to Krka. Bye. All right, and I guess this is one of the main falls. And I took a picture of this from above, because that's that bridge that I took a picture of. So let's see how this looks if I get a little closer here. Shows you how clear the water is. Slide over and get a better view. Somebody forgot their soda. Amazing. I'll go over and get on the bridge and I'll take a video of that too. Very cool. Thanks everybody. Oh, look at the bird. How cool is that? Very nice. Hey everybody, I'm here at the bridge area, and I just wanted to show you again the commercialness of Krka. I mean, there's so many little booths and hot dogs and slushies and souvenirs, and I mean, it goes all the way around, and you see where all the people are coming from. Even way over there, there's probably another 10 or 15 restaurants and stuff. So it's just certainly touristy versus parky. Look, you can even get pancakes. I gotta try it. Bye. All right, everybody, I'm crossing the bridge. Well, I'm stopping on the bridge. Maybe they need a bigger bridge. Look at how big those fish are. Very cool. All right. It's a beautiful day. You can't beat that at all, can you? All right. So this is the hydro, I guess the gears and motor for the first Croatian hydro dam. So there's the picture, so you can pause as you need to, and then I'll go slow over the text so you can read it all. $320 KS of power. Very nice. So that big gear right here, the magnet and stuff, is this thing right here. Pretty crazy, huh? Wow. Very neat, everybody. All right, I just climbed out like 400 steps of stairs. I'm kind of winded, but this is what's at the top. It's the only way out. So if you do this trip, you have to realize that it's going to be a heck of a climb to get out. But this is where part of this falls start, and then it works its way down to here, and then down to here, and then down to there, and then down to there, and that's where I just was. And then out, that's that commercial area, and then out to the river. Really beautiful. Very nice. Thanks, everybody. Just because I think it was a hydro area, I think they had people living here and taking care of things. I think this is like their first Krka church. Pause if you need to. So 1761, and I don't think it's open, but there's windows. Can you see anything? No, not a thing. Let me try the door. You know me. Nope. Okay, well, let's go over here and I'll give you a view of the front. Cute little basic church. Everybody who watches this video, you see the bell? If you ever see a bell like that, I want one. Alright. Thanks, everybody. Beautiful. If you come here, here's a word of advice. Bring them lunch. You know, you can come up here and sit down at a picnic table. They have them all over the place up here. And I didn't know that. And you can sit and have a lunch in front of this incredible stream and such. Okay, everybody. Bye-bye. Wonderful.